Good morning students, this is preparatory English class and welcome you all to your preparatory English class. Good morning Nibita, Trayambak, Shamadrita, Brintika, all of you good morning. Devans, good morning. And I know by the grace of God all of you are safe and fine. At first, take out your English pathway book and open at page number 36. Page number 36. Page number 36. Use of in and up. Use of in and up. In our previous class, we have learned use of in, right? Use of in. The sun is in the sky. The moon is in the sky. The fruits are in the basket. We have learned this in our previous class, right? The nut is in the pot. The fish is in the water. We have learned it. Today we will learn use of up. Okay? Use of up. So at first, take out your English notebook and take a pencil. Write down today's date, CW, date is 13/1/21. Write down CW date. Use of up. UP, up. Use of up. UP, up. Okay? Brintika, you can't see me. Brintika, switch off your front camera, then you can see me. Switch off your front camera. Brintika. Now, before learning the use of up, you tell me which day is today. Today is which day? Today is which day? Brintika, I would like to request your parents to switch off the front camera. Then you can see me. Yes, Nivita, very good. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Very good, Brintika. Yes, Devans. Today is Wednesday. And today is cloudy day also. Cloudy day. To make koreche na? Today is Wednesday and it is a cloudy day. Okay, Sanchan, good morning. Welcome to your e-learning class. Shutanbi also good morning. Mriganko, good morning. Shutanbi, Sanchan, Mriganko, take out your English notebook. and take a pencil. Today we will learn use of up. Use of up. Okay. The boy, okay, and these are stairs. These are stairs. The boy is climbing up the stairs. Okay, this is called up. The boy is climbing up the stairs. Climbing up the stairs. Okay, in our previous class we have learned that this is book. If I keep a chalk on here, this is called the chalk is on the book, and if I keep the duster is under the book, if I keep it here, keep the duster, then we will say the duster is under the book, duster is on the book, and look at here, chalks are in the basket, chalks are in the basket. Then on means opore, and under means niche, and in, the chalks are in the box, মধ্যে, in মানে মধ্যে বা ভেতরে, and up, today up, this is a moving object who is climbing up, ওপরের দিকে ওঠা, up means ওপরের দিকে ওঠা. The boy is climbing up the stairs. Understood? The boy is climbing up the stairs. Yes, very good. Povitra has joined today. Good morning, Povitra. Yes, Trayambak, very good. This position is called up. The boy is climbing up the stairs. Now, another example. Now, you write what is it? What is it? What is it? Write in your chat box, identify the picture and write the picture's name on your chat box. Brintika, at first switch off your front camera. Front camera টা বন্ধ করো. If তারপরেও যদি দেখতে না পাও তাহলে আবার রিজয়েন করো. Switch off your front camera. Then if you can't see me after switching off your front camera, then rejoin the class. Log out from your class and then rejoin the class. Yes, it is a kite. The kite is flying up. The kite is flying up the sky. Okay, the kite is flying up the sky. Kite akashe udche. This is called, the sentence is, the kite is flying up the sky. Understood? Now start writing. Start writing number 1. These are hills. These are hills, and one boy the boy ran up the hill. The boy ran up the hill. The boy ran up the hill. The sentence number 1. The boy ran up the hill. The boy ran up. The boy, underline the word up. The boy ran up the hill. Write down on your notebook. Full stop. The boy ran up the hill. All of you write down on your notebook. Shanchan, switch off your front camera. Samadrita, you can see me. Shrestha. Why they are saying that they can't see me?
No, everybody.
3 to 4 students.
How many are present here?
10 students. That's why. Write down the sentence. The boy ran off the hill. Switch off your front camera. I think many students has joined today. Devans can't see the board. But you already okay. You just switch off your front camera. Front camera টা off করো, দেখো দেখতে পাবে। নিজেকে off করো, তাহলেই দেখতে পাবে। নিজের ভিডিওটা অফ করো, দেখতে পাবে। শুধু সাউন্ডটা, স্পিকারটা দিয়ে রাখো। নেক্সট কোয়েশ্চেন, নেক্সট সেন্টেন্স। Kite. The kite is flying up. The kite, K-I-T-E, the kite is flying, F-L-Y-I-N-G, flying, U-P, up, full stop. The kite is flying up. Okay. The kite is flying up. Yes, Trayambak, very good. Povitra, switch off your front camera, then you can see me. The kite is flying up. And next sentence, number 3. There is a fox who is jumping. The fox is jumping up. The fox is jumping up. The fox is jumping up. Sentence is the fox, F-O-X, fox is jumping J-U-M-P-I-N-G, jumping up. Full stop. Underline the word up. The fox is jumping up. Okay, so the first sentence is the boy ran up the hill. The boy ran up the hill. Okay? The kite is flying up. Next, the fox is jumping up. 3 sentences. I think your writing is completed. Take a picture of your notebook and upload it on your chat box. Next day we will practice some activity. Yes, take a picture, all of you, take a picture. Yes, this is Shanchayan, very good. The boy up the chair. The kite is flying up, okay. First sentence is not a correct sentence. Shanchayan, it is not a correct sentence. Next sentence, the kite is flying up. In your first sentence, Shanchayan, there is no verb. You can write it, the boy is jumping up. Any moving object to any moving thing we use up. The boy is up the chair or jumping up the chair, add a verb. The kite is flying up, very good. The boy ran up the hill, the fox is jumping up, good. Shanchan, correct your first sentence, there is no verb. Use of a, Brintika, the kite is flying up. Write is after the word kite. Write is. Brintika, The kite is flying up. The boy ran up the hill. Very good. The fox is jumping up. Very good. Brintika, in your first sentence, write is after the word kite. The kite is flying up. Next, Trambok, very good. The kite is flying up. The boy ran up the hill. Very good. Fox is jumping up. Very good, Shanchan. Nivedita, the boy ran up the hill. The kite is flying up. The fox is jumping up. Very good, Nivedita. The boy ran up the hill. The kite is flying up the sky. Good, Shrestha. And the next sentence is in your next page, Shrestha. Okay, fox is jumping up. Very good, Shrestha. Then, Shutanbi, the kite is flying up. The boy ran up the hill. The fox is jumping up. Good, Shutanbi. And practice handwriting, Shutanbi. Very nice, but you carry on your practice. Yes, Mriganko, the boy ran up the hill. The kite is flying up. The fox is jumping up. Good. Next, Shrestha. Okay. Devans, the fox is jumping up. The kite is flying up. The boy ran up the hill. Good, Devans. Okay. All are very good and very nice. Hope all of you have enjoyed the class. And this is for today. We will meet again in our next class. Bye bye, students. Bye bye.